Um, so I'm Dr. Wei Liu. So it's a Doctor of Engineering and a Master of Education. Currently like independent researcher because I'm planning maybe study my second PhD. Um, for this conference, my presentation is about critical thinking skills for Chinese teachers. It's a study of mathematics teachers' perceptions. The research is mainly like a mixed method for quantitative and qualitative. So I use the survey, questionnaire, and interview to collect the data. Mainly, the aim is I wanted to know does gender and teaching experience will influence teachers' perception of critical thinking, and also wanted to know teachers' perception of students and critical thinking skills during math class time. Do I need to explain the findings or because it's all presented during the meeting? Because this one is did during COVID, because at that time, Australia, we were locked down a few times. I remember 5 or 6 times.
Okay.
So all these things is the survey is online. I just sent the link, and then back to China. So because at that moment everything are okay there, so that's why. So the teachers, and also because it's online, so there are different schools. The math teacher, they can finish the survey. For the questionnaire, it's similar. So I just send all the link to them, but for the interview it's online.
Okay.
It's online, so I give them the question beforehand, and then we book a time, and then we just chat about the questions and online, and then later, so after collecting the data, just summarize, sim the data, analyze. The learning, I think it's just because at the start of lockdown, I think I did not used to the life, because it's still at home. We cannot go outside. Every week, one family, one people allowed to go outside, shopping something. At the first few months, it's I did not used to the life. It looks like everything stopped. So I stopped everything. But after some time, I just realized we don't know how long it will last. So I think it's better I just, back to the normal life. Because during that time, we use things online a lot. That's why I'm thinking, okay, so maybe do a research, overseas. It does not influence a lot. Because in Australia at that moment, it is impossible, to communicate face to face, So then I think, okay, so research overseas, because it's okay, we still depend on online. And I think it's because we teach online, had meeting online, then we used to that. So it takes time, to be honest. It takes time to get all the result back. But and also it's still the first time for me to do the research online. But I think it's I just want to, my research, my other things, just normal. Even it takes a longer time than I expected, but it still show me that I still do something during those 2 or 3 years. Yeah. To be honest, I think for me it's good, because online is convenient, easier.
Yes.
And especially for people, who cannot arrange time to travel, especially overseas.
Yes.
And international conference, I think, have very good opportunity for researchers is you can read, you can know different, research from different countries, It will help you to know more about what the other researchers, what they do, what's the topics. Because some research might inspire your interest as well. And also through the meeting, you can know more people, you can build the network. I think it's convenient, and it's for me. I like it because, you know, normally it's busy, so it's hard for me to arrange time. So I like online things. It's good for me. Yeah, definitely I encourage them. And also because at the college, you know, we have a lot of online learning as well. You know, online meeting. We have a lot of online things. I encourage people to participate as, you know, if they have time. So yeah, it's very good opportunity to learn. Yeah, and also it's good for us to develop in our research skills. I think it's like all the procedures, you know, organized really well. So, you know, it's very efficient. And then, so all the presentation is good. And because of the time, you know, everything is organized very well, very efficiently. Yeah. Yeah.